drowning in deals and losing track of your hottest prospects. Let's untangle that mess in 90 seconds using Close CRM Smart Views. First, spot the Smart Views section, usually on the left-hand side of your Close CRM dashboard. Think of these as your custom control panels. Click the plus New Smart View button. Now, you'll see different options for creating a Smart View. Let's say we want to focus on deals closing this month. Select Close Date from the criteria. This tells Close CRM to filter based on when deals are projected to close. Choose this month from the date options. Boom, you are already getting a targeted view. You can also add multiple filters here, like the value of the deal is greater than a certain amount, or deals assigned to a specific salesperson. Give your Smart View a descriptive name like Urgent Deals so you can easily find it later and save it. Now, you'll see your new Smart View listed alongside your others. Click on it anytime to instantly access your filtered leads. See how clean and focused your dashboard is now, no more endless scrolling. So start creating Smart Views, reclaim your focus, and watch those deals close faster.